YouTubers, Big Boppa. Here to let you know a little review on this little Carabiner clip with the little compass and the water bottle holder that I got in the SHTF box that I last unboxed there. The compass, you know, not the best compass in the world, but in general, you know, seems to be a little bit off here or there, but it'll get you in the right general direction. I didn't expect much from the little tiny compass there, but you know, if you were in, if it's the only thing that you had to give you a direction, you'd at least be in, you know, within a few degrees of whichever way you wanted to go. But I was most curious about this little water holder. At first, it seemed to be working well, and it does work. You can make it work with most of the part, but I was right. You know, not all water bottles are created equal. Now this it's actually, after a few uses here, it seems to bend out, so you can bend it back in and you can make it hold on to the water bottle pretty good. Like this little one here, this is a 20 ounce nice water. Picked these up from Walgreens. Seem to be holding that one the best, but the more you use it, I've figured out, like this one, originally when I got it and tried it on this bottle, it was tight down here. Now it's still will pop around this top part and hold it really good, but the original neck portion, it's loosened up, and now that I put it on that one, you'll see, well, it didn't stretch out too much now, but this was tighter on way tighter on this bottle here. And when I first picked up this bottle, it was also really tight, like you wouldn't be able to, now it's holding on a little bit better, but I would not trust this, like, if you were doing any major movement with this. Again, you can squeeze these in. Now, how many times it allows you to do that before it breaks, I don't know, but you can tighten it up, and then it, see, clicks on much better that way. So it's kind of mixed ratings. You know, the fact that you can bend it back in and get it to clip on good, it seems to be useful. Maybe if you always use the same size water bottles, you would never have that problem. I don't know. I bought 3 different kinds here, and it definitely, like I said, got it stretched out a little bit. So that's my, so what would I give it? I give it maybe 7 out of 10 rating, in my opinion. So it's my rating on that little thing. The other product reviews coming up soon. Next time, Big Boppa.